doing our bow. So we're going to take that right hand, that's the sun, the flat left palm, that's the moon. Bend those knees and bow down to one another to start our Yang style short form Tai Chi class, beginner's Tai Chi. We do 12 forms on the right, 12 forms on the left. I do the verbal cueing, y'all follow along, but first we got to warm up a little bit. So we're just going to do that Qigong bounce. Kind of get that stored up energy from that gentle class that we just did beforehand and get it out of our body. So I'm going to step a little wider here, and we're going to do opening the gates of life. So basically it's slapping our hands on the back and the front. So I like to lift my heel when I twist. I don't like to have the feet being firm because I don't want to torque my knee. So for me, this feels better in my body. Maybe you like this too. And then we're going to move this more on our chest, our lungs. And if it's available, can you reach the shoulders? Maybe, maybe not. And the upper back. I can't go too far up on my upper back. It is what it is, right? And then bring it back down to the chest. And get the liver and the kidneys around the waist. And then make it smaller, smaller, and smaller. Very good. I'm going to take my toes out towards the corners of the room. We're going to do the blood pressure technique. I'm going to scoot back a little bit to get this more into the camera. So from here, we're going to inhale, circle, sweep arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down the heart center, bend the knees, and then thumbs and fingers on the thumbs. And then inhale, elbows back, stand up. Exhale, bend the knees, arms out to the side to stimulate that heart meridian. Inhale, up, 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 up. As we exhale, bend the knees, bring the hands down the heart center. Grab those thumbs to your armpits. Inhale, stand up. Chest forward, elbows back. Exhale, arms out to the side. Let's do that again. Inhaling up, 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 up. Exhale, bring it down. Grab those thumbs, stand up nice and tall, inhaling. And then exhaling out to the side. If you have low or high blood pressure, this makes it equal. Here we go. Inhaling up equalizes it. Exhale, last time. Grab those thumbs, elbows back, stand up. Exhale out to the side. And let's do the finishing breath. Inhaling up. And bring down the energy from the universe back down to our dantian. It's here below our belly button. All right, so I'm gonna bring those feet in, turn around, we're get ready for our Yang style. So let me see where I am in the camera. Maybe I can come a little bit more towards. Okay, very good. So we start in the eagle stance, which means feet are out to the side. We notice our feet on the floor. Is the weight in the heels and the balls of the foot? Is it along the entire foot? We try to do the entire foot. And we kind of shake the body a little bit. So we're going to start. So we're going to bend the knees and lower towards the floor. And then inhale, rise up. Let's do that again. Exhale, lower. Inhaling, rise up. Exhale, lower, shift your weight into the left side, step the right foot out, heel, ball, toe, shift your weight to the right, turn the left foot in, shift your weight over to the left, turn the right foot in. Let's come back to the center and do center and seek. Inhale up to the hips, drop back, exhale, lower. Let's do upward, downward, up to the shoulders. Inhaling up, up, up. Exhale, bring it towards your body and down. Shifting into the left side, turn that right foot, right hand up, left hand underneath, form your Tai Chi ball. And then shift your weight over into the right hand side. All that weight on that right hand side. Take that left foot forward for bow and arrow, heel, ball, toe. And then shift your weight to the left side. Turn your ball, turn your hips. And then from here, shift your weight to the right foot, lift that left foot, turn it parallel. Shift your weight into the left side from here. Second bow and arrow. Turn the foot out, step forward, heel, ball, toe, and then split your ball. Shift your weight, hand in front of your chest, hand by your hip for ward off, and then shift your weight back. Roll back that arm and press into the palm. And then fingers up as you pull back Inhaling, exhale, push forward. This time, when you inhale back, lift that right foot, drag it, and then start turning it empty of weight to the front of the room. You're drawing a circle with your hand, all that weight in that left side, and then shift your weight to the right side. Continue that circle. Once it's here about hip level, shoulder level, step the other foot back, toe ball heel, shift back to the center, draw it in and down. Next is inward, outward. You make that little Tai Chi ball and bring it inward and outward. Bend those knees. We're shifting the weight over to the right side. Turn that left foot. Step that right foot in. Here we go. Inhaling up and exhaling. From here, shift your weight into the right foot. Step the left foot out. Heel ball toe. Shift over to the left side. Turn that right foot. Shift over to the right foot. Turn that left foot in. Come back to the center. Now it's center and sink. Inhaling up. Exhaling, lowering. Upward, downward. Inhaling up. Exhale, lower. Shift your weight over to that right side. Turn that left foot, left hand on top, right hand underneath. Shift your weight to the left side. Take that right foot, heel ball toe. Now shift your weight to the right side. Turn your Tai Chi ball. Turn the hip also. Shift your weight to the left side. Turn that right foot parallel to the left. Shift your weight into the right foot. Preparing for second bow and arrow. You're going to turn that foot out, step out. Heel ball toe and split the ball, ward off, hand in front, hand by the hip, inhaling back, exhale, push. Inhaling back, very good, exhale, push. Now we're going to inhale, lift the foot and start turning the left foot, empty of weight, make it go straight and then make that circle with the hand, shift your weight to the left foot. Once you get your weight there, take that right foot, toe ball heel, come back to the center, and exhale. Here we go. Inward, outward, inward, up. Inhaling, exhale out. We're shifting our weight over to the left side. Turn that right foot, step it in, and then let's do finishing breath. Inhaling up, exhaling, bring it down. And let's end with that right fist, that left palm, and end our little short segment there. Thank you so much.